Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the top 3 stocks that you should be keeping on your watch list for today. I'm also going to be addressing some of you guys' questions as well. And I'm going to be talking about the SPY as of right now. So without further ado, let's get started with this pre-market analysis video. So right off the bat, we got the SPY. I've mentioned before that there was a bearish pin bar on the chart, but it seems like the market doesn't care. And right now, the market refused to collapse. Okay, a collapse over here would have been good for a short, but right now, I'm pretty sure that there are short sellers who got in here, who are currently not happy right now with the way the market is going. So watch the overall market for a potential short squeeze. That level of resistance, which became new support, is holding quite well. So just a steady uptrend throughout the remainder of the week and even into next week would be something to be watching for. Okay, this right here doesn't look good for short sellers. They're not happy right now that the stock didn't collapse. Like, they're really not. And right now, this is the time where you should be like kind of looking at it from the other perspective, and just be ready for a huge move upwards, given the fact that there are lots of short sellers in here, lots of them. Okay, lots of them. Again, it could always take a turn for the worse, then just break this level. It could. I'm just saying that right now it's just not looking like short sellers are kind of nervous right now. They're kind of nervous. So just keep that in mind, okay? Keep that in mind for all of you who likes trading the SPY. Now, for the first stock that you should be keeping on your watch list for today, which I think is a really good stock, that one is Cisco. Yeah, and Cisco is on an uptrend. It's looking pretty good. It didn't collapse over here. One thing that y'all want to know is that it has earnings. It has earnings coming up on the 12th after market. The 12th is tomorrow. So a pre-anticipatory run into earnings wouldn't be bad. If you look at it on a daily, it's been crushed on it's been crushed for a while, and I do see a bullish harami on here, and it's about to open up just a little bit higher at $39. Just another green candle, and then whatever happens through earnings is whatever happens through earnings. I'm not gonna try to like predict it or say that the stock is gonna shoot up. Again, it's a 50-50 gamble, and I do not condone hold it through earnings. But all I'm saying is that the stock has been massively beaten down, and there is a 50-50 chance that through earnings it could spike all the way up to 42. And if that doesn't happen, then it could crash all the way to like $36 through earnings. But before it, a move up today and until Friday wouldn't be so bad for it. It really wouldn't be so bad. Keep in mind there are short sellers in here. All the short sellers are in here. They're right there. Okay, right there. So just keep that in mind as you trade in Cisco. The next stock that I want all of you to be watching for today is Rocket Mortgage. And Rocket Mortgage, we talked about it a few days ago, and look at that. So apparently, I don't know what kind of earnings they got. They may have beaten earnings. They may have like missed it. Either way, it doesn't matter. What matters is the reaction through earnings. And right now, it's holding steady. It's holding steady. A break above 22.50 would be great for the stock. So definitely keep this one on your watch list for sure. I would like it to consolidate a bit more. Just consolidate a bit more and then move up on Friday. But right now, it's just like, I don't know. We never know. So right now, just keep this on your watch list. I don't expect it to collapse all the way down to like $20 today. I really don't. But more consolidation. If you look at it on a daily chart, it's not looking bad at all. It's about to open right here at the same exact price. Okay, so just keep that in mind. If everything goes well and it consolidates and then it opens on Friday slightly higher at $22, then a move up to $24 would be good. That's the first sign of resistance, and then after that we can aim for a little bit higher towards 26. But right now, just focus on that move. And don't get too greedy too. Like, especially if it moves up today and you go in. and it just goes through 22 and goes up. Don't be too greedy. Watch out for pullbacks, and try to keep the majority of your profits with you instead of giving it back as it falls. Okay, just keep that in mind as well. The next stock that is looking really, really, really good right now is Baba. Yep. So Baba collapsed throughout the past few days, and right now that level of support is holding quite well. That level right there. Well, it kind of breached it. Yeah, it kind of breached it, but it looks like it wants to go back in again. So just keep that in mind as you trade in Baba. Keep that in mind. It's slightly below it. I don't like the fact that it's below it, but it may be irrelevant. And right now, it's at a discount. It's been brutally annihilated right now. So, watch for these short sellers to start taking their money off the table. It could cause a small pop all the way up to 275, and then maybe a fade throughout the day. But just watch that one. And that pop could also be an opportunity to make some money on the upside. Okay, so just watch this one as well for today. If that doesn't hold and it just goes sideways here and sideways here and then breaks 260, you should be worried and you should be scared because the next target is probably around 240. So just keep that in mind, okay? Just keep that in mind as you trade in it. Yeah, it looks like a great dip buy, and everybody who bought the dip here are kind of happy right now because the stock is about to open higher. But then again, be really careful with this one. I'm only addressing it because it can go in multiple ways. There is multiple chances to make money on here. It has a very big range, which is really nice. So keep that one on your watch list for sure. Now, to answer some of you guys' questions, we're gonna talk about PFE, the vaccine stock. Yes. Okay. So I did talk about PFE on this day right here. I think it was aftermarket on the 9th. And I did say that I wanted it to drop to $38. Okay. And so far, it's doing pretty well. It's doing pretty well. For all of you who are able to catch this drop right here with puts, congratulations. Because what happened was the stock gave you multiple opportunities to get out right here, right here, right here, all in this range. Opportunity to get out and take your cuts from those puts right there. So, but as of right now, more consolidation will be good for the stock. Just more consolidation. If it could pop here to $39 and then fade down some more, and then Friday make a move up, that would be great. But right now, I want to see more consolidation. I don't want to see a wild move today. Tomorrow, Friday is fine. Today, today I just want to see more consolidation personally. And the stock is not in a terrible shape. It's really not. It made a higher low right here. So just a green bar, just a small one right there. And then Friday, if things could heat up and be interesting, then it could be good for a long all the way up to like $42. But yeah, just keep Pfizer also on your watch list. Okay, that one definitely on your watch list. Another one that we should talk about is Workhorse. Let's see how Workhorse is doing. Workhorse is holding steady. It's holding steady right now. Let's see. The daily chart ain't looking too bad. The daily chart is not looking too bad. A bunch of dip buyers got in here. They don't want the stock to collapse. They're really not. They do not want the stock to collapse. And right now, it's about to open at the same price. So just keep your eyes on it. Below $17, that one might be a short. But if it just keeps holding up right there, then that can cause some worry in the hearts of the short sellers over here. Okay, they want the stock to tank somewhere. They really do. They want the stock to tank to like $10. So if it goes up here and breaks 20, a lot of them will cover it and it could cause a spike in the stock. So watch this one for sure. Watch this one for today. And the cup and handle is also there as well. The cup is here. For those of you who have no clue what the cup and handle is, this is a cup of tea with the handle right there. A move above 1940 would be great for this stock, would be excellent. And then taking out the short sellers out here, that would be great. Okay. So the top three are Cisco, Rocket Mortgage, and then Baba for sure because it's on the dip. Yeah. So if you got value from this video, again, destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm as always. If you're new to this channel, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on these pre-market analysis videos which are released 15 minutes before the market opens, and the post-market analysis videos which are released in the afternoon between 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. If you're not following us on social media, you can find me at Paul and Guma and at Patternology Lab on Instagram and on Twitter. If you're a beginner looking to get started in the stock market, I left some step-by-step directions in the description of the video. It only takes 15 minutes to get signed up and to get ready to make some money in the stock market. The first link below is to give you a chance to get 3 free stocks after signing up with Webull. And the next link after that is to get 1 free stock after signing up with Robinhood using the links below as well. I also left a link to get this amazing tool. This is called Think or Swim. It's free to use. As long as you sign up with TD Ameritrade, they offer it for free for everybody. So there you go. My name is Paul. Once again, my name is Paul Nguma with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. Now we'll see all of you on the next one. Be really careful today. The market looks like it wants to run higher. So don't get caught on the wrong side of the trade. I'm not too bearish on the market today. I'm really not. But we'll see how everything plays out. Again, good luck trading out there.